how to get clients without going through VA agencies or job marketplace. If you want to be able to set your own rates as a freelancer and you want to start working from home pero ayaw mong mag-apply sa mga job marketplace na kagaya ng Upwork at online job, solution, social media. Now, you would often see people saying na sa social media ako nakahanap ng client. Pero none of them would tell you how. So whatever you're selling, kahit hindi ka work from home, kahit hindi ka freelancer, halimbawa, kagaya kayo ni Buy You Shop, meron kayong e-commerce business and you want to be able to get more customers para sa inyong negosyo. Pero it looks like you've hit that road bump. Hindi mo na alam kung paano pang ibebenta or i-market yung mga products mo. Then the answer is social media management and marketing. Ang kagandahan nito, hindi lang siya pwedeng service na i-offer as a freelancer, pwede mo siyang gamitin sa sarili mo negosyo. Isa sa mga bagay na hindi madalas na didiscuss tuwing pinag-uusapan ng SMM is that as a social media manager, kasama sa role mo yung pag-aralan yung mga customers. So hindi lang to bastang post ka lang ng post sa social media, pag-aaralan mo sila. Ano nga ba yung buying psychology ng mga tao? Tuwing kailan sila bumibili? Are your leads warm enough? Saan mo sila hahanapin? Saan ka magpo-post? Paano ka magpo-post? Yung timing ng posting mo kasamang lahat sa pag-aaralan. Our next social media management and marketing class is happening on May 24th, yun yung day 1, and then May 31st yung day 2. 4 till 8 p.m. yung class nito, so pasok na pasok sa schedule. At ang good news pa, 999 pesos lang siya pero kasama na yung 2 weeks na internship at output-based yon. Ibig sabihin walang specific na schedule as long as ma-deliver ninyo yung mga kailangan ninyong isubmit. If you guys want to join, just click the link in my bio. It will open the Gig Hub. Sa Gig Hub, nandito ng lahat ng kailangan ninyong matutunan para makapag-start na mag-work from home. Bukod sa ating live sessions, nandyan din yung mga free resources. I-check nyo na lang sa pinakambaba. But to join the social media management class, under live mentorship, hahanapin nyo lang 999 social media management. I-click nyo yan and it will open the form for you. Andun ako sa inyo ipapadala yung bayad. Pagkatapos, i-fill out nyo lang yung form. At pagkatapos, you will automatically receive an email kung ano nga ba yung kasama at kung ano yung process. Hope this helps. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis and I'll see you at the classroom. Bye! Oh, I forgot to mention, eto nga pala yung pinaka-juicing class ng SMM.